Hey guys, welcome to the latest version of Coldlytics. Today I'm going to be showing you around the dashboard and everything that you need to know to continue with your new account. So you can click on your username over here in the top left corner and click on account settings. This is going to show you where you can enter your first and last name, you can update your email address here, and any password changes take place over here in account settings. Then we'll jump over to billing and payments. You'll be able to see the plan that you're currently on or upgrade or downgrade to whatever plan is appropriate for you here. Next, we have the billing history that will show you all payments as well as the invoices and receipts by clicking on this button here on the right-hand side. If we click on payment methods, you'll be able to see which cards you have on file as well. And then last but not least, we have the credit history, so you can see what credits have been added to the account. So you can see when I subscribed, I got 400 credits plus the bonus for being a first-time subscriber. And then I put 100 credits into a list that I'm building. So you can see it was deducted here and how many credits I currently have left. So this is a quick overview of how it works. We do have the help center here as well that you can open up if you need more videos or tutorials on getting started with list building. And we'll have a dedicated video for you on how to build a list. Over here, you'll be able to see your current or past tasks. If you want to duplicate a task, you can click on these three dots and click on make a copy. You can see any task that you started as a draft but then abandoned here. And any tasks that you've archived that you're no longer looking to have on your dashboard, they will be back here. So this is a quick look of how your dashboard works in the new Coldlytics platform. Thanks for watching.